Do you really understand subtraction? Well, in today's video, we're going to do 235 minus 87. We'll use the base 10 strategy, and we're going to make that connection to the typical algorithm stacking strategy. All right, let's get started. Let's stack this. So 235 minus 87. Now, we can't take 7 away from 5 ones, so we can't take 7 ones away from 5 ones, so we need to borrow from the 3 tens. We'll cross out the 3 tens, make it 2 tens. And now we've given 10 to the 5, which makes 15. So we can put a 1 there. We have 15 now. 15 minus 7. We can do that. That's 8. We can't take 8 tens away from 2 tens, so we need to borrow from the hundreds place. Cross out that 2 hundredths, make it 100. And we can bring those over to the 2 tens to make 12 tens. 12 tens minus 8 tens is 4 tens. And then 100 minus 0 hundredths is 100. So 235 minus 87 is 148. So another way to solve this using base 10 strategy, start with, we'll make the number 235. Okay, and so the number 235 right here will be, so that represents 200 blocks. That represents the 3 tens. That represents the 5 ones. Now, we need to take away 87 from the 235. Here, I'm going to write it right below here, 235. So, let's start by taking away the 7 ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, but we need to take away 7. So, we need to borrow from here and change that into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that 110 turned into 10 ones. And as you can see, we have 15 ones here. And if you go back up here, you can see that we had 15 ones when we borrowed. So now we need to take away the 7 ones. So let's take away 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Okay. Let me erase this now. All right. Now we need to take away 8 tens. Well, we can't take away 8 tens, so we have to borrow from here. So let's borrow 100, and these are tens, so it takes 10 tens to make 100. So we took that 100 and turned it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, we have 12 tens now. We have 12 tens up there, and we only have 100 left. Yep, only 100 left up there. We have to take away 8 of these tens. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And that leaves us with just 148. So that's how you can solve this using the base 10 strategy. We got 148. 100, 4 tens, 8 ones.